treatment. Looky here who's still upright after a day filled to the gills with pirate festivities. If you had yourself a whale of a day, let me hear you shout, aye! Aye, me too. If you didn't beat me before, where were ya? We were waiting for ya! And you should have heard what we were saying about you too. Not pretty. Anywho, pirate folk call me Jolly Roger. But I insist you call me J.R. Now that we've been properly introduced, tell me,